Hello, flashlight people. I picked up this unique headlight. It's a headlight. Looks like something like a pepper spray or such. Very unique stuff. But it's a headlight on this belt in there. And please look at this frost lens. No visible. The LED in there. I think this is a heat releasing wrinkles. I feel quality on this headlight. Pretty light, nearly 50 grams, same as this one. This one over 100 grams, twice as heavy as this one. Continuously push low, medium, high, low, medium, high, low, medium, high. In high mode, this has two modes in high mode. Twice quickly push the button. Super high, regular high, it's 100 lumens. Super high, 180 lumens. It consumes battery much, runs less than 1 hour. Regular high runs 2 hours. So regular high will be better because this regular high brightness is the same as this one, 100 lumens. Phoenix HL21 and Surefire Minimus Vision. In darkness, this regular high is the same as this Minimus Vision brightness. When I boost up this one to super high, it's clearly brighter than this one. Like that. It's a very unique stuff. Leave the clip and put in there. Like this. Angle change, free and stable, no problem. This belt is very generous here for wearing over the helmet. It's a quality belt, very comfortable belt. Very similar to this Surefire belt. Kind of thin. This is a bit thinner. Phoenix is the thickest. Maybe not a quality belt. This is also not a quality belt. Night core head belt for flashlights, you know, 3 portions. over the head, side of the head too. I know Phoenix has the similar stuff, but size, both sides only, and it has a rotation locking system on the both sides. Looks bulky, so I picked up this one, and I put this Zebralight universal diffuser. I hope you can see Zebralight. It takes this PC20 jet beam very well. It's a universal stuff. It takes my wife's flashlight for 7 scope too. Very good. But it doesn't take my girl's flashlight. This is too narrow, small, different. So larger side streamline flashlight will be taken in this Zebralight universal diffuser. I'm planning to use this system like this. Kind of difficult to put in there, but finished like this, and diffuser on. It's much brighter, 400 lumens. This difference. If you like the ultimate brightness, this system will be interesting for you, and maybe for me. Okay. Anyways, I will need the field test. But before the test, in advance, I would say this is the best stuff, you know, half the price of this one, twice the price of this one. But it's a cheap kind of headlight, all plastic, AA battery. It's a CR123 and all aluminum, and it can be detached and take this clip for the other purpose. I don't know. You know, put on the chest pocket, chest light or such. Interesting. Anyhow, in advance, I would say this is the best one among the 3 flashlights. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.